this is Sonja from Myhappyspace. Welcome back at my channel. If you see my face, it is free devotional time again. And I am so excited to show you my free devotional again. It is called Bowls of Incense, and it is all about prayer. I think prayer is such an interesting topic. It's sometimes a confusing topic. Why does our prayers not get answered? Why do we say if we ask anything in God's will, He will give it to us? Does He even hear us? How does it work? Now, I'm definitely not saying this devotional will answer all your questions, but it will give you a little bit more information and sort of, I think, what is behind the heart of prayer and what is the purpose behind prayer. So I'm no prayer warrior or expert, but I'm trying to improve my prayer life, and that was really one of my goals in 2022, to improve my prayer life. And I've just came across a few principles which I'd like to share with you. We're looking at 2 passages in the Old Testament and 2 passages in the New Testament, and we look at it and we see what we can learn from it and how we can apply it to our lives. So for those who are new here, this is my 4th devotional. My first one was called Come Away With Me, Beloved, and it's all about the Song of Solomon and God's love for us as His bride. And this is available in my Etsy shop with the ephemera and everything. So this was free about 2 years ago. Then the next one I wrote was Sit, Walk and Stand, and that's all about Ephesians and the fact that we need to sit in His presence before we can walk and stand and fight the enemy. So this is also a very good one. This is also available in my Etsy shop with the ephemera. My last one was Hello Joy, which is all about how to find joy. We're living in such a day and age where people lack so much joy. So I really think there's so many principles and good things in this devotional about joy. This is also now on my Etsy shop. Now, this devotional is going to be available for 2 months. So 31st of July, I'm going to pop it in my Etsy shop. So you've got more than 2 months to pick it up and to work through it. But I've got a private Facebook group also. So I'd like you to join it because we work through it together. I do a live once a week, and then we just study it together. I'm going to start the first live on the 6th of June to give everybody a chance to cut their things up, get their ephemera ready, and just do their setup and everything. So then we can do our first live on the 6th of June and work through it for the next 4 weeks, God willing, if nothing happens. It's the devotional is in 4 sections, so it should take us 4 weeks to work through it. So the only thing you need to do is you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and like this video. I'd really appreciate it. Usually what in the past I used to ask you to send me email and request a devotional, but I've got a new system set up going, which is much easier for me, so I don't need to respond to all the emails and send it back. I'm going to link it to buy me a coffee link, so it will be down here below. I'll quickly show you later in the video exactly what you need to do, where you need to click. But basically this is a button where you can donate any money to me if you would like, to say thank you, but you don't have to. I'd love to give this devotional free of charge for everybody. If you've done a devotional and you feel like it was useful and you want to buy me a coffee later, you're welcome to do that. So yeah, you just go on there and you just download the devotional with the ephemera and you print it off. So yeah, if you've got any problems, let me know. I think you can leave me a comment also there, and I will leave all the details down below in the description box. So I'm excited to show you about this devotional. I think it's really powerful, and I think we can learn so much about it. So let's flip you over, and then I'll show you about it. Okay, so when you get your printable, you will get it like this. There will be a cover, and then the devotional will be there. So the cover, you obviously will just fold into a cover like this. The devotional is divided into 4 sections. It's an introduction. The first section is our victory in prayer, and that goes on like this. And then it is the secret to prayer, and it's like this. And it says our privilege in prayer and our bowl of prayers. And then you can dig a little bit deeper, also looking at certain passages at the end. So you've got some journaling cards, which you can write your prayers down, which I love. Then you've got some pockets, which I've designed, which the journaling cards will fit in perfectly in there. So you can cut it out and just fold it on the lines there. I'm thinking it's fairly self-explanatory how to use that. So that's that. I've got the normal tags and tabbies and labels. And then I've got some beautiful doilies. I cannot do a devotional without doilies. So I've got some of the pattern paper, the doilies. So that was quite interesting to do that. And then I've got these shadow girls, which I thought turned out very nicely with their bowls of incense and prayers. And then I've got these hands, which is, yeah, as I said, representative of our bowls of incense and prayers. All different color tones. And then obviously I've got beautiful flowers. Love the purple and pink color scheme. And then I've got 2 pattern papers, some wonky grit, and the bowls here, golden bowls, and here some paint splatters and the flowers. So this is what you get in the devotional. So I'm quickly going to show you how I'm going to put my booklet together. Okay, so the way I'm going to put my book together is very simple. This is my cover, and then I just took some cardstock. I took a little bit more than the booklet itself because I want to do some documenting in it. Okay, so I fold it in half and I'm just going to put it in here, and then I'm just going to staple it in. I'm going to do very simple because my next video I'm going to show you my setup. As I said, we're going to start working on it at a later date. I'm just going to use my long arm stapler. Oh, I must remember that if you want to do stapling, you need to do it like this. So this is my little booklet. I think I'm going to round the corners. I just always like the look of round corners. Oh. So basically what I'm going to do is, I might leave this open for a cover. And then I'm just going to cut the first page, put it in there, second page, maybe leave in between. So I'll show you what I've done. Okay, so basically I just stuck it in, and after a few sections I've left some pages open if I want to do some journaling. Left some open, left a few open there and there and there at the end also. So this is my little book, but as I said, I'm going to do a nice setup using the printables next time. So if you don't know how to pick up the devotional by buying me a coffee, I just want to show you how to do it. So okay, so let's pretend this is the video that you're watching now, and then you go to the description box, and then there will be buy me a coffee link. See there, you click on it. Okay, you will get to buy me a coffee. Then you just scroll up till you get to this place. Now this won't be here because I will replace it now with my new devotional. So click on that. Then you say get it. Then you have to put something in there. So just put 0. If you want to buy me coffee, as I said, you can, but otherwise you just put 0 in there. You put your name and your email address, and you just download it. So I hope that makes it more easier. So yeah, thank you very much for being excited with me about that. As I said, I will leave all the details down below, what you need to do. And I'm looking forward to see you on my private Facebook group. We're definitely going to do videos here on YouTube also. But it's just nice to be a part of a group down there. There's a link also down below, so go and click on it. It's a private group, so you just need to ask a question and then I will approve you and I will let you in. And then we will be starting officially doing the devotional on the 6th of June. My next video is going to be my setup. So happy cutting out, happy setting up. I'm excited to see what you come up with. I will get a hashtag also for this devotional. It's probably going to be Myhappyspace _ bowls of incense, but I'll just check and see if the hashtag is available. I'll leave it up here in the meantime and also down below. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Remember to do everything. Looking forward to hear from you. Have a great weekend, and then I'm talking to you, God willing, on Tuesday. Bye-bye.